How to turn on or turn off share name and photo on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Apps. From there, scroll down and then tap on Phone. Then we go down and tap on Share Name and Photo. So tap on that. And here say turn on name and photo sharing. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on. You can also tap on the edit button to add in your own picture. So here we can swipe across and tap on the customize button, or you can create a new profile. So tap on customize and then choose contact photo. Now you can select photos, or you can use emoji, you can use camera to capture a photo straight away. So here if I select photos, and from the gallery I can select an image. You can move the image around within the circle and then tap on choose. And then you can select a color style and then tap on next and then tap on update. And here it asks you to change, add in some text. So maybe just add in the initial, then tap on done. Here we can choose the background color. So you can make it darker or lighter. And then we tap on done. And then tap on continue. Okay, so that is the background poster. And in here, tap on name. And then you can put in your name. And then tap on done. So we have now turned on name and photo sharing. And we have also set the name as well as the profile background and pictures. And here it says share automatically. Do you want to share automatically to contacts, or do you want your phone to always ask before sharing? So select one of the options and then tap on done. And that's it. So we have now turned on share name and photo. If you want to go on here and switch it off, just tap on this toggle button to switch it off and then tap on done. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or off on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.